How to Conduct a Content Audit in 2024, Beginner's Guide, Conduct Content Audit. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, a content audit is crucial for maintaining an effective content strategy. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to perform a comprehensive content audit. Step 1. Define your goals. First, define the goals of your content audit. Are you looking to improve SEO, increase engagement, or identify content gaps? Clear goals will help you focus your efforts and measure success. Step 2. Gather your content. Next, gather all your content. This includes blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and social media posts. Use tools like Google Analytics, your content management system, and social media insights to collect data. Step 3. Create a content inventory. Now, create a content inventory. A simple spreadsheet can work wonders here. Include columns for content title, type, URL, publication date, author, and metrics such as page views, shares, and comments. This will give you a clear overview of your content landscape. Step 4. Analyze performance data. Analyze the performance data of your content. Look for patterns in high-performing pieces and identify content that didn't meet expectations. Pay attention to metrics like organic traffic, bounce rate, time on page, and social shares. This will help you understand what's working and what's not. Step 5. Assess content quality. Assess the quality of your content. Evaluate factors like relevance, accuracy, and readability. Is the content up to date? Does it align with your current brand voice and messaging? High-quality content should be informative, engaging, and free of errors. Step 6. Identify content gaps and opportunities. Look for topics that are underrepresented or not covered at all. Use keyword research tools to find new opportunities and trends that align with your audience's interests. This will help you plan future content that fills these gaps. Step 7. Update, repurpose, and remove content. Based on your findings, decide which content to update, repurpose, or remove. Refresh outdated information, add new insights, and improve SEO elements like keywords and meta descriptions. Repurpose high-performing content into different formats, such as turning a popular blog post into a video. Remove content that is outdated, irrelevant, or no longer aligns with your goals. Step 8. Create an action plan. Outline the steps you need to take to update, repurpose, or remove content. Assign responsibilities and set deadlines to ensure accountability. A clear plan will help you systematically improve your content library. Step 9. Monitor and adjust. Monitor the results of your content audit and adjust as necessary. Use analytics tools to track the performance of updated content and new content initiatives. Regularly review and refine your content strategy based on the insights you gather. Conclusion. Conducting a content audit in 2024 is an essential practice for maintaining a strong online presence. By following these steps, you can ensure that your content remains relevant, engaging, and effective.